Hey, hello everyone, this is Shiv Sarkar from EasyTech Tutorial. So in this video we will learn how to connect our domain with our hosting. Sometimes we buy a domain from another company and buy our hosting from another company. So today I will connect my domain with my another hosting company. So let's start it. Here you need to log in your dashboard where you buy your domain. So I log in my dashboard, I buy my domain here, and I log in my dashboard where I buy my hosting. So this is my hosting dashboard, and now I connect my domain with this hosting. So at first I add my domain in my hosting. So for that I will search here for domain. Then you can see the domain option and click here. After I click here, you will see this page for manage your domain, and you can connect your domain here. So you need to write the domain name here. So this is my domain name. I will add this domain in my hosting. So you no need to add https or http or slash anything. Just click here and add your domain here. When you click, you can see our domain is added in our hosting package. Here I can see my domain is added. So what I need to do now? I just add my domain in my hosting. Now I connect my hosting name server with this domain. So when I buy my hosting, I get a mail with my DNS name server. So I use this name server in my domain, and here is my domain dashboard. Now I click on my domain, and then I can see here is my domain is activate. Now I just click here and click manage name server. So when you click manage name server, you can see this dashboard and see the option for default name server and custom name server. So here I will use custom name server and add my 4 name server point here, and I will copy the name server here and paste it here. I use this 4th name server. Now I just click change name server. So after change the name server successfully, we need to check our domain are connected or not. So how we check? We will go the Google and write what my DNS, and you can see this website. And after come to this website, we will check our domain, that our domain are connected or not. Copy the domain name and paste it here, and then select here NS for name server, and then click search. We can see our name server name are connected. Now we check our website, it's work or not. We can see our domain are not working right now. You need to take minimum 24 hours. It will solve very soon, because when you connect your name server with your domain, it takes some time for configure. So you can easily add your domain with your hosting like this. We will see in the next video. Thank you so much.